Hi everyone! Today we're going to make some prints using oil pastels. How beautiful is this? You can draw and it has these beautiful colors and you can get this lovely transition. Let's jump right into it. So this works with two different pieces. So what you do first is a drawing with oil pastels, and then you put a piece of paper over it and do a drawing with pencil, which transfers the oil pastels onto your second paper. So we're going to start right now with doing our base paper with the oil pastels. So you can pick any colors. I like to try to keep it very bright and vibrant and a nice thick layer. We don't want to leave a lot of white spaces. White spaces are not going to look as colorful and radiant as we want in the final picture. All right, so just take your colors. Now this could be anything. You could do a rainbow design, a tie-dye design. I'm going in a circle, but you could do a design in stripes. You could do it diagonally. There's so many options. As long as you really fill the whole page in a nice thick layer. This does take a minute, but it's very relaxing. The kitties are very relaxed too. Sammy is right next to me taking a big old nap. My other kitty Delilah is on the floor giving herself a bath. It is nice, calm art time in my house. Who knows, maybe when I'm done this, it'll be my turn for a nap. Ooh, these colors are so fun. The great thing with oil pastels too is you can blend with them. So you can get two colors really transitioning so beautiful into each other. Want something nice and bright. Ooh, let's do this. Some red. Done a bit of a darker palette than I did last time. I think what I'm going to be doing is going in so that it has these layers. So bright red goes into that darker yellow. You don't have to be too much of a perfectionist with this. This isn't your final piece. This just needs to be colored dark enough that your final piece looks awesome. Oh, it's so cool. Somewhere in here I had bright pink. Yeah, let's get some bright pink in there. Get the corners filled in. All right, nice and bright. Okay, almost done. I'm just gonna add a few more really bright sections. And I think I'm pretty happy with this. I think this will get me lots of interesting designs on my piece. Perfect. So now what I do, now that I have my base, is I'm gonna take a piece of paper and put it on top. So I have a notebook. You could just have two pieces at the top of each other and just be really careful to keep them together nice and neat. Or you could use a piece of tape to help to keep them together if it's the type of paper that's not going to rip easily. All right, So now I could draw anything. I could do a design, I could do a picture, I could do a person, anything I want. I think I'm gonna do a design. So every time I draw with my pencil, it's gonna end up on the back of the paper in this beautiful design. Now, the big important thing to know with this is you can't erase. So anything you draw is gonna show up. If I try and erase, it's just gonna leave another mark. So anytime you make a little mistake, you have to figure out how to make your work look more beautiful. So like this petal ended up smaller than the others. But how can I make that more beautiful? Maybe I'm gonna make that the area where a stem is coming out, and this is actually gonna be a fantastic flower. What can you do to make your mistakes work for you, not against you? Oh, so fantastic. This has some beautiful energy. All right. Oh, how cool is that? And you'll see I'm being careful. Every time I peek, I'm holding the paper down so that I don't mess anything up while I'm peeking. So right now, so far, I've been doing line designs. Remember, you can color things in to create a shape. There's a billion ways to play with this. There's no limit. That's the basics. The basic is we draw on one paper with oil pastels, we put another paper on top, and we draw with pencil, and we see what happens. Oh, I hope you have so many creative ideas. I wonder what you're going to create with this. So I could draw absolutely all day long, but I think you understand the basic rules now. I hope you have a lot of time drawing to make something absolutely wonderful. Have fun. Take care.